Bonjour and welcome to the second session of my experience mini course. And now that you understand what your gut is trying to tell you, it's time to bring back rhythm and stability. So, in this section, we focus on small daily habits that have a big impact, like choosing food that support your microbiome, staying properly hydrated, reducing stress that affect digestion, and creating a routine your body can trust. Nothing extreme, nothing complicated, trust me, just practical steps you can start using today. And this is when and where your gut begins to feel safe again. And when it feels safe, it begins to heal. So let's restore the rhythm, and I see you inside. Thank you so much.
Hi, and welcome back to the Experience Mini Course. In today's session, our second session, we're going to talk about the gut healing lifestyle and how food, stress, and toxin disrupt your inner symphony. So welcome back and welcome to an exploration of your body's inner symphony. We are going to examine what causes gut inflammation, how toxins impact your system, and the critical connection between your gut, liver, and brain that affect your overall well-being. So what will you learn today? In this session, we'll explore how your gut, liver, and brain work as a team. You'll learn what happens when your gut barrier breaks down, how your liver handles toxins, and how these affect your mood, energy, and memory. This session is all about building your understanding, and in the next one, we look at the solutions. So let's have a look at the gut-liver-brain connection, which is a very, very powerful connection. We start with your gut. So your gut acts as a gatekeeper. It's going to control what enters your bloodstream, and it communicates with your brain and liver. Your liver then acts as a filter. It removes toxins and processes nutrients to keep your body safe and balanced. And then your brain is like the maestro of an orchestra. It manages many functions and reacts to messages from your gut and liver. And these three systems are in constant communication. So when one of them is out of balance, the others are affected too. So what is leaky gut? You have to understand that your gut lining is very, very thin, just one cell thick. But it has a very important job. It decides what gets into your body and what stays out. So when you eat poorly, live with high stress, or take certain medications, your gut lining can become weak and start to leak. This means that toxins, bacteria, and pieces of undigested food can enter your bloodstream. And when this happens, your body reacts with inflammation. It's a kind of internal fire that can damage many organs. So what happens when the liver gets overwhelmed? Well, at first, your liver reacts quickly to clean out toxins. But if you're constantly exposed to toxins from food, your environment, or gut leakage, for instance, the pressure builds up. And over time, your liver becomes less efficient. Then symptoms appear like fatigue, poor digestion, skin problems, and hormonal imbalances. Just remember that your liver does over 500 important jobs. When it's tired or overloaded, your health starts to suffer. So what's happening when inflammation affects your whole body? Just remember that if your gut is not working well, you may feel it in many, many places. Your joints may become stiff or painful, your skin may show signs like acne, eczema, or rashes, and your brain may feel foggy. You start forgetting things or feel low and anxious. All these signs are connected to gut and liver stress. So let's have a look how stress and toxins affect the brain. Your gut and brain are connected by a long nerve called the vagus nerve, and they are in constant communication, as I said earlier. So when your gut is inflamed or stressed, the stress signals go straight to your brain, and your body makes fewer feel-good chemicals. You may feel low, tired, anxious, or have trouble sleeping. So how gut problems can become chronic illnesses. At first, you may feel like mild symptoms like bloating, brain fog, or low energy. Later, this can turn into IBS, depression, anxiety, or autoimmune issues. If gut problems continue for many years, they may even be linked to serious diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, or multiple sclerosis. So it's very, very important not to ignore those signals and to act as soon as possible. Did you know that the liver is your body's detox hero? Your liver works all the time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It never stops, filtering blood and removing toxins. It filters over 1.4 liters of blood every single minute. It also helps with digestion, energy storage, hormone balance, and so much more. This makes your liver a vital organ that protects your health every single day. So let's have a look how the liver removes toxins. It's a detox in 3 steps, if I may say. In phase 1, your liver changes fat-based toxins into a form your body can remove. In phase 2, it adds molecules to neutralize those toxins. And in the last step, toxins leave your body through bile and urine. So you can think of your liver like a powerful filter that works constantly to keep you clean and healthy. So as we're reaching the end of our second session, it's time to take a moment to reflect. First question I'd like to ask you is your liver under pressure? Notice if you feel tired, have skin problems, or poor digestion. These may be signs. Is your gut sending you signals? Think about whether your mood or memory changes after eating. And who else could benefit from this knowledge? You may know friends or family who suffer from similar symptoms. And now is a really good time to pause and become more aware of what your body is trying to tell you. It's time to wrap up our second session and look at key takeaways. As I said earlier, your gut, liver, and brain work together as one system. And a leaky gut lets toxins into the body and creates inflammation. Then your liver can become overloaded and stop working properly. And these imbalances can affect your mood, energy, digestion, memory, and so much more. So I look forward to seeing you in our last session. And in our next session and last session, we're going to explore practical strategies to support your gut, liver, and brain axis and restore your inner healing symphony. Thank you so much, and see you just now.